Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful, amazing day today. So I thought we would come outside and sit on the deck and have a little bit of coffee for a little Dollar Tree haul. Why am I talking like that? I don't know. Somebody actually asked me if I was from Philadelphia, and I'm like, no, but yeah, I can see where you would get that, because a lot of people with a Pittsburgh accent kind of talk like Boston or New Jersey, so I can see where you get that. But anyways, I went to a good Dollar Tree yesterday. I was out and about, and I thought, well, some of the stuff I will admit is boring that I bought, but I buy a lot of just everyday items, so, you know, I'm sorry if this comes off as boring, but I thought I would just share what I got. Okay, let's just get right into this. So I feel like I've seen someone else get these before. They're the Brims cinnamon twist. They're kind of like the cinnamon twist from Taco Bell. So I love those, by the way. So I got two. I got 2 bags of those. Can't wait to try these. Let me know if you've tried these and if they're any good, because they look delicious. And then, let's see what I got here. This is going to be a very casual haul, you guys. Super cash. So then I saw this drizzled popcorn from Sweet Chaos, candy corn flavored, and I'm like, oh heck yeah, I love candy corn. So I got 2 of those. I'll probably have that for breakfast. So there's the other one. And then I saw these. They were the Chester's fries in the Carolina style barbecue, which I know Brian will love those because he loves Carolina style barbecue. So I got those. And then they had these Rachel Ray Nutrition, it says chicken piccata with real shredded white meat. So I got these for our outdoor cat because he hangs out here. That's a chicken piccata too. And so we feed him. He don't live here, but he lives down the block, but he comes here to snack. So I'm surprised I haven't seen him yet this morning. So I got several of those. Chicken piccata. That is hilarious. I love that. Okay, then I think I got several of these, so we'll look in my bag. But I thought, since I wear the lash segments, I could cut these into segments. They're called the Ioni 3D Foam Ink Lashes in the Lash Burlesque Wispy Natural Full Doll 2-in-1 Strip Lash. It does say, or cut them individual lashes with a soft clear band. So that's what they look like. I thought they looked really pretty, and I definitely think I could cut them, so we will try those, like, as a lash segment, because you guys know I do the lash segment, so we will try those. I think I got 2 or 3, so this is probably going to be a short haul, too, by the way. And then I thought Brian would like this. It's the Arizona Frost Chillsicle Juice Cocktail. I have no idea. It's got this, like, see at the bottom how it has those little like popsicles. So it says it's like pear, lemon, strawberry, orange, blueberry, raspberry. There's all kind of flavors in there. So I got this. I think this was $1.50. You guys, I don't know. Like Dollar Tree's prices, they're all over the place. No, okay, so the only thing on here that was $1.50 was the cat treats that I bought. And yeah, that was it. Oh wait, no, I lied. These and the cat treats I'm going to show you were $1.50. Everything else was $1.25. So this big thing was $1.25. Just so you guys know. And then I got one for myself. It's the Arizona green tea with ginseng and honey. I love this. I love the taste of it. So I got that for me. And then again, pretty Boro, but I got 8 paper plates, but I like these because they were the deep dish ones. So I thought, oh, okay. And you can microwave these. They're soak proof. Strong, sturdy, so I got 2 of those because we like to eat on paper plates. We're not bougie here, okay? So yeah, but I like that they were deep dish, so you could eat like pasta in there or whatever, really. So I like those. And then I got one of these soap dispensing. Now they have a sticker over the price. So let me see what was under here. Let me see. Does it say $1? It says $1.25, and I don't know why they covered it because it was $1.25. So you put soap up in here and then you can scrub your dishes. So I got one of those. This is a Greenbrier product. And then I got several of these masks because I think I'm going to use these as giveaways on my whatnot. This is a mask set. I think this is pretty good for $1.25. You get a vanilla cream moisturizing sheet mask with shea butter, and you also get a cranberry orange brightening sheet mask with vitamin C. So you get one of each in here. So you get 2 masks for $1.25. I thought that was a pretty good deal. And then I saw this and I had to get this for somebody, and you guys let me know in the comments if you know who this is for. I think she has this already, but it's a sweet scented bath bomb in hot tamale. Guess who that's for? Guess who? Tints and fizzes your bathwater. I'd be scared. Like, I hope it doesn't, it's got flames on it. I don't know if I'd want to put that in my tub. It says sweet scented though, so I don't know, but be careful with that, ladies. Okay, then I saw they had a bunch of these like nail polishes that were like Reese's, and they were in these packages. So I got this one because I like the color. So let me show you the color of it. They had like, they were all like Reese's colors. Like one was like a brown and whatever, but this one was really cute. It's the Reese's. There's a Halloween, there's like a Halloween ghost kind of thing at the top there. Hold on. Let me hold like this. But it says Reese's Sally Hansen Insta Dry. The color is Reese's Candy. So yeah, grab that one. But they had other colors as well, but I grabbed that one. And then I could not find this in another color, so I wish I could have, but I couldn't. But it's the Sally Hansen Color Foil Nail Makeup in the color Cutting Hedge. So it's a green. It's just like a metallic nail polish, but I wish they would have had this in other colors, but this is what it looks like. But it's definitely a green color. It's the same color as the label there on the front. But yeah, I was like, oh, heck yeah. So that's what it looks like. I wish they had this in other colors, like, you know, pink or something. That would have been great. And then, so here's another set of those lashes like I just showed you guys. And then I got these goodie, these are for medium to thick hair, which I don't have either one of those, but I just like the colors. They're the Jelly Band Elastics. You get 5 of them. And I like the colors of these. There's like a rose gold, a clear, like a couple of autumn colors, and a pink. So I really like the colors on those, so that's why I grabbed them. But for $1.25, can't beat that. And then I saw these masks, and they had some different ones, so I grabbed one of each kind. Because I think I'm going to also use these as giveaways or gift with purchases on my Whatnot shows. So they had this Global Beauty Care one, clay face mask. There's 3 of them, a brightening, a nourishing, and a soothing. So that's what that one looks like. There's 3, 1, 2, 3 in each one of these. And then this one was rose gold and cucumber. So that's what they look like. And then this last one was hibiscus, Camilla overnight, and purifying green tea. So that's what that one looks like. So you get 3 masks for $1.25. I thought that was pretty good. Love that. That's my tea. Okay. One more bag, you guys. So here's another set of those lashes. I got 3 of those, so I'm thinking I will probably like them. So then I grabbed some of this, just the craft paper decorative shreds, because I think I'm going to put them in like the bottom of my mystery jewelry jars that I make, just for like a little something extra in there. And these come in all different colors. So yeah, but I got this color because I like just the regular craft paper color. And then I grabbed 2 of these. Never used these before, so I don't know why they're... Oh, okay. I thought maybe they were different because they look different there for a minute. But if you use these, let me know. They're the extra stain remover wipes to go. There's 6 individually packed towelettes in here in the scent Tropical Passion. So let me know if you've used these on anything and if they actually work. Because I think these would be good, like if you get something in the interior of your purse, or, you know, take it to work if you get like coffee on you or something, which I probably have coffee stain on me right now. So I grabbed those. And then I had to have this, you guys. It was a Jot pen, but look at this. Look at that. Look at that pink baby there. And it writes in a whole bunch of different colors, so yes. Yes, please. So this is what it looks like outside the package. Look at this. Look at that. But it's got like orange, red, blue, black, like a light blue, a green, and orange. But look at that. And yes, it is flaking off, so you might want to spray this with some hairspray or put some Mod Podge on it. But look at that baby. Wow, I love that. I think I got 2 of these. I thought if Brian didn't want it, I would use it. So these were Old Spice hydrating lotion for face, body, and hands in the scent lavender and mint cream. So that's what they look like. But I thought, okay, well, it's got vitamin B3. And I was like, well, that sounds kind of nice for me. So let me smell it real quick. Let me rub it in my hands. Oh, see, it smells good. It smells kind of like manly, but I don't mind that. Because it's like a vanilla mint, but it's kind of more minty. But I really like those. They smell really good. I love that. Okay, these are the treats that were $1.50. So I got the Temptation Surfer's Delight. That's hilarious. So these are $1.50. I don't think that's much of a bargain because I can buy like a whole container of these for like $8. So, but I was low on the treats for the cat, so grab those. And then I found this, and I thought it was a good deal. I probably should have bought more. It's the St. Ives AHA Exfoliating Toner with Apricot. Exfoliates the skin to lift away dead cells. So, grab that. Almost 7 ounces, so yeah. And it's actually taped at the top, so that's kind of nice. But yeah, should have grabbed more of those, I think. I love toner. Alright, so then the store I was at had a bunch of really nice note cards. I love these Expressions by Hallmark cards to put in like packages or friend mail. So I thought this one was really pretty. It says thanks a bunch, and it's got a really pretty flower and like blue mason jar on the front. So love those. They had a whole bunch there. I love them. Okay, then I got a couple other mask sets. These are by the Spothecary. So you get 2 sheet masks. One's Peach Bellini and one is Pomegranate Punch. The Pomegranate Punch is a glowing sheet mask and the Peach Bellini is a hydrating sheet mask. So I thought that would be fun for a giveaway. I think you can, I'm going to open one of these because I want to see, I would assume they're individually wrapped, right? Yeah, they are. So if you wanted to give these away separately, just take them out of the package, you know what I mean? And give them away separately. So, just so you know. And then a couple of lasts, but certainly not least. This was another one of the nail polishes they had in this kind of package. This one is a Sally Hansen one-step kind of gel polish. I love this color, you guys. The color is One Shell of a Party. One shell of a party, you guys. But here's what the color looks like. It's kind of sparkly, like kind of nude sparkly color. Really pretty. Yeah, very, very pretty. So yeah, I'm really gonna like that. Really, really, really pretty. Love that. And then they had, I also wanted to tell you guys, they had like a whole Alice in Wonderland makeup display, and I just don't buy a whole lot of makeup from Dollar Tree. I mean, sometimes I do. It kind of depends on what it is. I saw the Marie Claire stuff there, which I know you guys have seen. But they had like a whole display of Alice in Wonderland, so keep your eye out for that. And then this was kind of like on a shelf by itself, so I grabbed it. It was a Nightmare Before Christmas lip balm. It doesn't say what flavor, so maybe we'll open it, or maybe, you know, we'll just see what it looks like. But I think they had a whole Nightmare Before Christmas display at one point. So let's see what this looks like or smells like, or yeah, it's made by Disney. It says Disney on the package, so I mean, you know. So there's that. I mean, it's brand name. Nothing on the package says like vanilla or anything, so maybe it's just not. It's just a. It doesn't smell or anything like anything. I think it's just a balm. Like there's just nothing to it. You know what I mean? It's not shimmery. Well, I mean, it's a little bit shimmery, but not much. No scent, nothing. Just sheer balm. Nothing to it. But when I look at it, like, doesn't it seem like it's kind of got like a little bit of a shimmer to it? Like barely, but you know what I mean? Can you kind of see it right there? So, It probably just leaves like a little shimmer to the lips, but that's it. So that was my Dollar Tree haul for yesterday, you guys. I just kind of wanted to do like a casual video. My neighbor's probably like, what is this girl doing out here? But it's so nice outside today, so I just want to come out here, give you like a different change of scenery. And I hope you're all having a wonderful, amazing day today. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!